So, panahon natin itong laban ni MK. Laki ng kalaban niya dito, 7-1. 1-0.
Isaiah Thomas came to one of my games. I said, yo, let's play. Jakeem Noah came to one of my games. All these NBA guys are coming. He was on the sideline saying that, here, I'm not going to beat his friend. If I beat his friend, he's going to play. That's what he said.
I cannot get injured, man.
You can't get injured. I'm already injured.
Okay.
I can't get injured either. I can say the same thing. I can't get injured either. I make more money than you do in 100%.
Ayun na, takbo ka na.
He's not going to play. He's scared. Hey, listen, I do it for these people right here. Everybody. I said it's one thing. The ball and the basket. Are you going to check ball or no? And now I'm playing against a tree.
Laki ng kalaban.
What's going on, bro?
Grabe, oh. Nasaan lang siya? Hanggang dibdib lang.
It doesn't even work against him.
Hindi niya magagawa yung ginagawa niyang yan. Boom! Supal! Supal! Okay.
What is this, bro? How?
Pinostehan, no? Boom! Boom!
How am I supposed to block that?
Grabe! Okay, oh. Grabe, nakakasyon. Oh, di na mama si MK.
Post him again, watch what happens.
Pang NBA to, oh. May potential eh.
No way.
Tinira. Ano yun lang?
Alright, we gotta lock in, bro. Can't even throw off his head.
Ayun, ang gagawin ng MK. MK, babawi. Tinira. Ayun lang.
Shoot it. Tall for no reason.
Okay, MK. Ay, nako. Ay, naku, patay. Wala. Tapos. Tinapos.
Rematch.
Finish.
Rematch.